So hi all, this is another video cast on Oracle Data Analytics. Here basically we start exploring some of the features offered by the Oracle Data Analytics. Today's my data set is the repair claim for the automobile manufacturers, and I have a data for 10 days, and for it is pretty old data from 2010. So now, as you can see in the first canvas, we have a data associated with the aging. So you can see we have around claim for $64,000 filed for the in last 30 days, and around a claim of $84,000. That's a repair claim of $84,000 filed in between 30 to 60 days. On the right side, I have a frequency of the terms used in filing the claims, and as you can see, the size and the color intensity indicates how many times this term has been used while filing the claims. Like the term engine is used like almost 152 times while filing the claims, and a term like problem is used 31 times while filing the claims. And as I said, this is the data for the claim filed for the manufacturer against the manufacturer of the automobiles for 10 days. Then I have a second canvas is related to the um, about the dealers like against whom the claim was filed. At the top, I have a KPIs, show the number of claims, a total claim cost, and then I have a, small calendar wizard which show me in this claim how many days of the data we have. And you can see the data is from the 1st April to the 10th April. A green means less claims, and a red means the highest number of claims. Like in the 1st April, we have around 32 claims, and then if a red indicates we have on the April 7, we have a 53 claims, April 8, we have a 58 claims, and on April 10, we have a only 28 claims. So I use this calendar to indicate the timeline of the data. And then on the left hand side, we have a map which show me the cost of the claim state-wise and city-wise. A red indicates me the cost of the claim of the repair claim is high, and then a green color means cost of the repair claim is less, and then these dots indicate the cities of the dealer who process the repair claim. Like as you can see, if I move my cursor to the California, it says for the state of California there were 52 claims, and the cost of repair of the vehicle to the dealer is around $34,000. And similarly, if I hover over the circle, that indicates the dealer city who repair the vehicle. For example, for the city of Fresno, there were 9 claims, and the total cost of repair was around $6,000. Similarly, if I move to the green color, and you can see, for example, we have a New Mexico. A green color indicate me there's only one claim, and you can see if I hover over the circle, it show me the city where the claim was filed, for the dealer city where the claim was filed. And then on the right hand side, bottom and right hand side, we have a tag cloud to show the manufacturer against which whom the repair claim was filed. And as you can see, the size indicates the total cost. So if you see, the total repair claim for the Toyota was around almost $70,000. For the Chevy it was like $40,000. Now let's click on the Toyota, and the whole dashboard would refresh to show me that data for the Toyota only. And if I click on the Chevy, it will show me the data for the Chevy only. The next I have I did in the next dashboard, we have a more data about the manufacturer against whom the repair claim was filed. For example, let's pick the Toyota. And if I pick the Toyota from the filter, it says okay, against Toyota in the month of April, from 1st April to 10th April, there was claim was filed around $70,000. Maximum of the claim was filed for the vehicle Camry, and they were like forward wheel drive, and around 101 claim was filed on for the vehicle which was produced in February 2010, and majority of the claim was related to the replacement sensor. Now if I pick another vehicle, let's say the second, say I pick Chevy. So the complete dashboard will refresh to show me the data which is associated with the now the two manufacturers. Uh, So okay, now let's take out this one and let's go to the tree diagram. This is another nice visualization to analyze the data. So let's pick uh, Toyota only. That's what's going on with the Toyota. So on the left hand side you can see all the dealers for the Toyota, and on the right hand side you can see all the issues for against which the claim was filed with the repair claim was filed with the dealer. So with the this is what we call that as tree diagram. So in the tree diagram, I can zoom in and I can see, okay, this is my California. So there are around, this is the state of California, and these are dealer against whom the repair claim was filed. And it give me the complete picture of the Toyota. Like, let me zoom it. It say, okay, for the Toyota, the manufacturer is Toyota, and these are the brands against which the repair claim was filed, and this is a transmission type, and what was the task for which the repair claim was filed, and from where the spare parts came from which country spare parts came, which city the supplier located, and what was the part. So, and if you don't want to see the complete picture, you can just apply the filter. And I say, okay, my vehicle is my vehicle maker is Toyota, and the dealers show me the dealers of the California. So as you can see, it indicates it will show me the dealer who are located in the California. A green color says the total repair cost is less. A orange says in the medium, and the red says total cost of repair was high. Like for the state of for the city of Fresno and San Diego, it was the highest cost. And then it showed me the picture of the what kind of a repair claim was filed for the Toyota in the state of California, and what are the model for which model they were filed. Now, if you want to see the complete picture of all the vehicles against which the repair claim was filed, we have another data visualization. We call it as a heat map. So heat map will in, immediately from the heat map you can identify what's going on with the system. Like we know, okay, a red color is indicate the number of cost of repair is high, and orange is a medium, and green is less. So immediately you when you open this kind of a chart, you can see, okay, this is the area of more concern, and this is where you want to look around, and where you want your data analyst to look around what's going on. In the for the green you are okay, for the orange and red, this is where the area of concern, and you can indicate that with a color so that your data analyst can focus on that kind of area. Similarly, we have a tree map is there, and then if we want to see what's going on with our total cost, we have another chart is there. We got is a chord diagram, and then we have another nice thing is I just saw a claim, sorry, a timeline. With the timeline you can see what's going on each day. So with the timeline you can see how many claims was repair claim was filed against each of the car manufacturer from 1st April to 10th of April. As you can see, like this is my 1st April, 2nd April, and it will give you detail of like a particular uh, dimension wise. Like for me, the dimension is vehicle maker, so this is another thing. And if you want to filter it out, you can easily put a filter. As you can see, I have a global filter at the top, and then some of the uh, canvases as a local filter also. So pretty lot of good features are there with the Oracle Data Analytics. I mean, what I show is just some basic feature. This is a pretty advanced tool offered by Oracle. And if you need any kind of a help to design your dashboards, feel free to reach us. We can help you to identify the data sources, design your data pipelines to extract and load the data, and help you to design the data. Thank you. Bye.